Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine and enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, let's go the video. I am back again with most demanding, attractive and most amazing collection of crochet women long dresses, different color, design and ideas in front of you one by one. Most attractive and most amazing collection for love. Those ladies who loves to wear such type of collection. Dear friends, if you want to buy this amazing collection, then you can contact me on my number and my WhatsApp number. My number is available in description. We have designers as you can order and get amazing crochet material like this crochet women long dresses and others like crochet women short dresses, full sleeve, half sleeve, sleeveless, off shoulder dresses, long gloves, short gloves, fingerless gloves, crochet women poncho design, caplet, cap shawl, circular jacket design, cardigan, blouse designs, flower designs, handbag designs, crochet baby material like crochet baby frock designs, crochet baby romper designs, sandal designs, crochet jewelry like crochet woman necklace, earrings, finger rings and bracelets, and feet jewelry like women anklet designs and baby anklet also. So dear friends, always try to bring useful videos, useful content for you. So don't forget to like my videos, don't forget to share my videos with your friends, relatives, and also gives your feedback in the hammer section about the collection. How was the video? How was the design? So dear friends, please try this collection. Enjoy this video, share this video with your close friends and relatives. Then now good.